You're watching how to remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. This refers to unlinking the messaging integration. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Messages and Story Replies. Tap Message Controls. Here you will see Facebook Messenger. Tap on it. You will see an option that says Allow Facebook Messenger to connect to Instagram. Toggle this off. Confirm your choice. This disconnects Messenger from your Instagram DMs. Your Instagram messages will now stay within Instagram, and you won't be able to message Facebook friends from Instagram. To also disable the Your Account connection, go to Settings and Privacy Accounts Center, select Accounts and Profiles. Tap your Instagram account. Look for connected experiences or sharing across profiles. Find messaging and turn off any linking options. To remove the Messenger shortcut from Instagram's navigation, you cannot delete it as it's a core part of the app. However, you can restrict who can message you. Go to Settings and Privacy Messages and Story Replies Message Controls. Select your followers on Instagram or don't receive requests to limit messages. If you want to delete the Messenger app entirely from your phone, you can uninstall it like any other app, but this won't affect Instagram's built-in messaging. The integration is designed for cross-platform messaging, and disabling it simplifies your experience. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.